So, the sofrito that I did earlier, did I show you how to do it? This is how it comes out to be. It was more, but I gave some to my people, my co-workers, my sister, the owner of the job that I work at, his mom, and it came out pretty damn good. Check it out. Stuff ready. This is good for the whole 2 months. Depends how much you use. So it's 2 to 3 months. It could be longer. Depends. If you don't really use it like that, you can always put it in the freezer. And then when you get some, you just break a little bit with a knife, take it off, or scratch it all off. Put a little bit on your dinner, your pork rolls, your beef rolls, chicken wings, chicken legs, stew, soup, the taco meats. You could even use it like this, period, just like that, as a dressing, salads. If you're gonna use it for salads, you want to use maybe 3 big spoons, right, and a little bit of vinegar. That would be like a salad Italian dressing, but not Italian dressing, but a salad mix. And you can do a whole lot with this. I'm telling you, you really can, and it'll come out so delicious. The way it came out now, I could eat it with crackers. I let my sister taste it. She loved it. She said, damn, it was good. So I'm telling you, you need to try my sofrito. I got special ingredients, secret ingredients that I cannot tell just anybody, everybody. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think from the video before when I was making it, putting it together. Leave a comment. Leave a like if you like. If not, it's okay. Subscribe if you want to. I'm going to let you know, subscribing. I work 9 to 5. Well, 11 to 7 is still like a 9 to 5 job. I'm always working, busting my behind, doing what I can, supporting myself and my husband, ourselves, us. My kids are grown. I got a story to talk about with the carbon monoxide. I told everyone that I was going to do sofrito, and I finally did it. Came out pretty damn good. I know y'all will love it, and y'all will like it. So taste it, y'all follow my ingredients. Even if y'all don't know the special ingredients, the secret ingredients that I have, it's still gonna come out so damn good. I'm telling you, you will love it. So check it out. You can write to me all you want, comment what you think about this video or the last video, because it cut off because a family member was calling and I'm trying to make a video, so I just cut everything off. I was trying to show y'all exactly how everything was done. I'll show y'all bits and parts of it, but not, when I finished it. So it came out pretty good. It tastes delicious. Y'all will love it. I'm telling you. You will love it. Even if you don't have my secret special ingredients, it's still gonna come out good. I'm telling you, everything is nice and fresh. No porks on it, none of that stuff, MSG, nothing like that, anything. It's all natural products. It's all the fruits, not the fruits, the vegetable is all natural. All I have was green onions, red onions, yellow, orange, sweet peppers, all kinds of sweet peppers, garlic, red, white, yellow onions, cilantro, recadito, and my special ingredients, and the sazon. So I'm telling you, you will love this. You will not be disappointed at all. So, hit me up. Tell me what y'all think, how y'all feel about this whole, about the video, if I can make it better. I do not know. I work a 9 to 5 type of job. I'm always working, so I'm always busy. So I never have really time like that, but let me know what you think. Leave a comment, subscribe, like, share, I don't know. Whatever you choose to do is up to you. I'm telling you, My sofrito comes out the bomb. That you can eat it with crackers and maybe a slice of cheese with it on the side. I'm just telling you, you will love it. So leave a comment, message me, like, subscribe, share, whatever. God bless you all. God bless America. And I'm out. Peace.